Well, it dawned a perfectly sunny day. That's the sun peeking through the trees. And here's the ski area. Spring Lake Ski Hill. Unfortunately, their phone number doesn't work. Nobody's responding. I figured it would be closed, but I wanted to see for myself. A local guy here who actually confirmed that the ski area has actually been closed for the past, I don't know what he said, 2, 3, or 4 years. So, looks like this is history. So, Spring Lake Ski Hill is actually located near Spring Lake. There's a real lake here. Apparently there's horse riding and boating and all kind of summer stuff. Unfortunately, they're not open for winter anymore. Fortunately, within reasonable driving distance, I think it's a little over an hour, maybe an hour and a half, is the Nighthawk ski area, so I'm going there next. Nighthawk, it's 10 o'clock now. Nighthawk opens at 11 a.m. So I'll be a little bit late, but I'll be there.